Did you know the world's most wanted drug lord escaped from a maximum security prison using a motorcycle? El Chapo's cell had one tiny shower, but underneath that shower was a perfectly cut hole, 20 inches by 20 inches, leading to a tunnel that shouldn't exist. For an entire year, his team dug from a house a mile away. They installed lights, ventilation, even railroad tracks, and at the end, a motorcycle on rails. When guards checked his cell that night, he was gone. The most secure prison in Mexico, beaten by a tunnel. One escape that embarrassed an entire government.